Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about spray foam roofing, the process, the warranty, the cost. If you've never heard of spray foam before, this is a good video for you. Someone actually reached out to me down in Texas, I believe, and they're like, we're used to doing iso board and single plies. That stuff's not available right now, so what's the spray foam thing all about? So tell me, the process, the cost, etc. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Really the process is the materials are stored in the truck. It's not like something space age stuff or whatever, but we have a box truck and a stake side that sits near your truck. There's 55-gallon drums with the A and B side of the material in it. They're heated and mixed. They run up through a hose along the side of your building, and all that's on top of your roof is a sprayer, a couple hose holders, and then a couple of people holding windscreens or whatnot. That's it. It's pretty minimal process. But really it kind of starts with a discovery and what you're looking for and what you're trying to solve with your roof. Are you looking to comply with building code? Are you trying to get more R value to lower your energy costs? Or are you trying to get the cheapest roof possible? And that's fine too. But depending on what you're looking for, we can recommend or not recommend a spray foam roof. So that's kind of how that works. Again, the equipment that comes to your roof, there's a box truck and a stake side, not much material at all. There's a generator that's on the ground. Also a couple other little things, but it's not much at all. Just need a parking space for two, and that's pretty much it. And then people ask me all the time, how does the warranty work? What options do I have? The warranty could come through the roofing contractor, so the spray foam contractor, or it can come through the manufacturer of the materials that we use for the job. Either or, you can pick whichever one. There's pros and cons to each of them. But pretty much once the job is over, we come and make sure, if you wanted an R20, that it's an R20. If it's 3 inches of foam, then it's got an average of 3 inches of foam on it. And if you wanted a 20-year warranty, then 30 mils of coating are on that roof. A mil is 1,000th of 1 inch. It's very hard to see from the naked eye, if possible at all. But use someone that you can trust, then make sure you do have those 30 mils and not 15, and so your roof won't last as long. So pick someone you can trust. And then people always ask, what does it cost? We always want the least cost of everything in life. A typical spray foam roof costs $4 to $7 per square foot. That was the summer of 2021. Things have changed. There's raw material shortages. There's labor shortages. It's just the cost is a lot higher now. I don't know if I want to say double. It could be, but it's very, very volatile. So what I say today might not be true tomorrow. So just make sure you go with a contractor that can give you the most up-to-date pricing on that. But usually it's in the ballpark of any other roofing system out there. But with it being seamless, with it being easy to apply, with the R value, with the renewability, as opposed to ripping it off when it's done, there's a lot of benefits that a spray foam roof has over other roofing systems. And then other variables that make the cost go up or down. If you have a 1 million square foot roof as opposed to a little garage, there's safety setup and overhead that goes into any roof. So the larger the roof, the least per square foot it's going to be. When you install any roofing system, you need to identify and remove any saturated insulation. So you have your membrane and the insulation below. You need to get all that wet out of there because it's only going to cause damage in the long run. But if your roof has, 30% of your roof is saturated versus 15 versus 2%, huge difference in labor time. You have to transport those materials to a landfill. So that's a huge difference in cost. How much R value you want. Some people want a R30, some people don't even care about R value, but if you want a higher R value, more material, more cost. Same with the warranty. There's warranties that come in 10-year to 20-year. A 20-year warranty uses more material than a 10-year warranty, so that'll justify or make the cost go up or down as well. That's pretty much it. I know it's pretty vague there. If you want to learn more about the topic, there's a blog post URL in the description. Hope you learned at least one thing new today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much.